Transfer backups stored on your IDrive BMR device to your IDrive Cloud account for a better disaster recovery plan. On the Cloud Replication tab, transfer the backups of a computer to the cloud with a single click. You can also schedule cloud replication from the Schedule Cloud Replication section. Select the computer backups. Set the various parameters to schedule the data transfer and save the settings. You can view the details in the Schedule Summary section. You can also check the details of your last backup in the Last Replication Log section. For all cloud replication logs, go to the Logs page and check out Cloud Replication Logs.